Hi WordPress users. Do you want to install Ninja Table Pro plugin? Here is how you can install this plugin. First, you need to install and activate base plugin of the Ninja Table, which is available in WordPress plugin directory. Next, you need to download Ninja Table Pro plugin and upload it to your WordPress site. Go to Plugins menu in the WordPress admin area and click Add New button. Now, click on the Upload Plugin button and upload your plugin zip file. Next, click on the Install Now button. That's it. Ninja Table Pro plugin will install within a second. And you will see a Ninja Table menu created on your WordPress site. So, thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get upcoming update on Ninja Table tutorials and technical videos.